Another great recipe for you guys, simple and easy. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell to all, and watch the ads for 30 seconds. So we're making a creamy coconut chicken breast, and it is succulent, full of flavors, and is insanely delicious. So let's go right ahead and make it. I have some chicken breast. I did slice it down in the middle so that I make them thinner. Wash them with lime and salt and water, then pat them dry. And you can use any type of seasonings you want into yours. But go right ahead in the description box and you're going to be seeing I list all the details below. So here I add some cayenne pepper, paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder. I also add black pepper, some seasoning salt, and that's about it. Once I add them, I'm going to go right ahead and I'm going to mix them up and then set them aside and let it sit for about half of an hour. It's that simple, guys. Once it's done, it looks like this. So I did chop up some parsley. I have some basil, some rosemary, onion, red bell pepper, and I also have a pack of the Maggi Flavor the Pot cube powder. Simple, and that's as easy as it can be. I also have 1 can of coconut milk because I wasn't finding the coconut so that I can have the freshly grated coconut, but that's all right. So over medium heat, I place my pan, and it is good to use a skillet, which is going to drive that heat more into your chicken, but that's all right. Add a little bit of oil, you do not want much, and once the oil gets hot, you want to go right ahead and place your chicken breast in the oil, guys. Now you don't want to be shifting them around. Let them cook for 1 minute on each side. Chicken breasts do not take long to cook at all. Alright, so you don't want to overcook them. Remember, I still have to put them into the coconut sauce. So after 1 minute, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flip them over. As you can see how beautiful they look here. And they are not fully cooked like I said earlier. Alright. Do them like this, then let them cook again on the other side for another minute. After 1 more minute, I'm going to remove them from the pan, and into the same pan, guys, I'm going to use the same oil. So at this time, I did not realize that my camera was off. This is a problem I get with my camera. I don't know why. So I did add the onion, garlic, red bell pepper, some of the celery, and now I'm going to saute them for about 2 minutes. And you can cut your onions in any fashion you want, okay? Any pattern, if that makes sense. After 2 minutes, go right ahead and add that coconut milk. And you can see how thick this is. Cook this again for another 2 minutes, then go right ahead and you want to add your Maggi instant flavor the pot chicken cubes, guys. This is the powdered form of it. I'm adding 1 pack, or you can just season to taste. And if you look into my description box, you'll see I always leave there that you must adjust your taste to your own preference. Once I place it in there, I'm going to just stir it up and let this come to a boil. And I boiled this for about 3 minutes. And taste as you go, guys. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And this is going to help to bring back that extra creaminess, smooth taste into your coconut sauce. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add, excuse me guys, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken breast. And you want this to cook for another minute because the liquid is boiling, the heat in there, this chicken breast do not deserve to be cooked for too long. Once I place them in here, I'm going to add the juice from the chicken breast right up into here. We want all the flavors, guys. And it's this simple. So now that it keeps boiling, I'm going to go right ahead. And I'm going to also add some more red bell peppers along with some more parsley. You can also use chives. Once I add it up in there, I'm going to place the cover over the pot, turn the heat off, and let it sit for 5 minutes before I serve. And it's this simple, guys. It can't get any better than this. You can use it with some white rice. You can use it as it is. This is insanely good, trust me. So if you want to see many more simple, easy, delicious dishes put together, stay with me in the kitchen with Lynn. Don't you forget to subscribe, like and share my videos, and also leave me a beautiful comment. Let me know what you think. And let me remind you, when you're cooking, adding a little bit of basil is the key. All right, so here you have it, guys, all done and ready to serve. Let me cut into it and show you how succulent my chicken breast is. And here you have it. So give it a try, enjoy, and happy cooking. I will see you in my next video. Bye.